object, etc., their relationships, etc., that helps. But if you are not, just take a small primer somewhere, either from a friend or from YouTube videos, what is an object-oriented technology today. So account will be an object. Within that, whatever fields are required will be, whatever account is permitted as an object. And then the relationships are established with opportunity, contact, lead, etc. So I would say that I'm assuming most of you know about this high-level object-oriented technology. But if you don't, then please you either pick it up yourself. If you want me to do a small 10 minutes kind of a session separately, I can do that. But for the time being, I am skipping that. Most of you, I'm assuming, know about it. And then using the object-oriented technology, we will show you how the entire sales is automated in Salesforce. And we will go through these cycles again. I have videos on how the AI is coming into, how AI is coming into sales. But I can assure you today there is very less content, very less meat inside this, and more of a hype. But still, we will cover it up during the session when we discuss that. Same way, just like sales, there is a service automation in Salesforce where how the tickets are generated, how they are allocated, how the parts are ordered, how the final machine is fixed and billing, etc. happens. All that is automated. And again, here also I have a video where the head of the sales tells you that how service can use the AI. And this is where I said, in each part, the standard process, I'll assume, the standard process, how Salesforce does it, we will show you, but it's not a big deal. The real deal is, the real demand is, the real new things are how the machine learning is entering these areas. And we will have what a sales head says, and then I will discuss in the next session how the reality is. I mean, everything what they are saying is like a little future-looking statement. It's not that it's not there, but is it useful? Do you, believe in even the astrologers' predictions? Same way, these are also like machine learnings are also, sometimes reliable, sometimes they need to be trained. And we will discuss more details about machine learning in the next sessions. And same way, similar to sales and service, there is a commerce. How do you buy on the website? Every click, that is captured today. Every click, where did you navigate? Where did you search? How did you buy? What was your entire, cycle? All that is today important in terms of capturing and running the marketing campaigns for that. Today, I think the marketing, if I have to say something a little more, that today the most complex area within the sales, service, commerce, and marketing is marketing. Because marketing is totally evolved. New things have come up. How do you know your customers when your prospects are millions of dollars, millions of numbers, and you want to track them? Maybe you create personas with which you match particular customers on your web. And in the B2B, you really profile-wise, each person well, and then you personalize for each person, either based on persona or personal preferences. You run a different campaign, show a different product, recommend a different product, and all that campaign as well as the website visits are influenced by your marketing. And then finally you engage. Even if you sell it, fine. Otherwise also you can engage even for post sales or service. So this all is automated. A lot of new things coming up, which will be exciting for you people. As I said, the whole cycle of demand generation to lead nurturing to finally sales, how do you engage? These two are engaging with each other, and which is very tight. For example, I'm running a sales campaign for, let's say, Bangalore, and I just want to see that what are the things I can do for a particular prospect. Then I can say engage marketing. There is a small button. The moment I press that, it will show me what all campaigns are being run, what all material, which is the content here, what all content I can initiate for my prospect. Okay, I can either include them or sometimes exclude them, both ways. So that's a kind of integration on each and every step of what marketing is doing can be shared with sales and vice versa. Whenever a sales makes a progress, a meeting was very good, or customer has given some hint about purchasing happening soon, that it goes back to marketing. These are not silos anymore. They're quite integrated in terms of qualified leads, in terms of something gets delayed, then it goes back to marketing. And it's not that simple as we were used to. Today the Marketing Cloud has to integrate mobile applications, interaction studios, social studios, which you are talking about, Facebook, LinkedIn. These are social, areas where you can run the campaigns and integrate them with your Salesforce marketing. And Google Analytics, again, quite integrated with Salesforce marketing campaigns. And using all of this, what you do is create a journey builder. You create a map in which you will see that what is working, what is not working, what to change, what not to change in terms of marketing. So as I said, I'm looking at time. I'm trying to cut short my discussions, but we'll spend more time in the coming sessions. So you create a customer journey maps. So which is awareness phase, then consideration phase, and finally a decision phase. In each one of them, you are assigning the task to the sales separately, and to the marketing separately, and to the automation separately, and integrating with these third party, the marketing, digital marketing packages available, like as I said, Google AdWords. With LinkedIn, there is a separate package. With Facebook, there is a separate package, and all of them work together just because our platform, our technology basis was very, very good to integrate with. So I'm just coming to conclude because I want to show you also for 5-10 minutes the live access. So this will all become an intelligent and integrated marketing. It is no more a silos marketing. So you will pick up the market intelligence. There are packages called Datarama. Datarama can actually do the web scraping, and not a simple one of one or two data, but very complex amount of data. Hundreds of fields you can pick up automatically from the web scraping, and build them up into your marketing campaigns. Your segmentation, your mail campaign, your web ads can be different based on the inputs you get from this kind of integrated tools. Marketing. Actually, this is the most complex and evolving area. Honestly, even I am a little laggard in these areas of marketing intelligence, but I am trying to keep pace. And if you people are interested, we'll dive into more details in the coming sessions. Now, last one, that how AI is being used in the marketing. These videos we'll see next time. As I said, time is running out, and I want to show you the live access. And I have my own experience of AI and ML. I'm also actually teaching, not teaching, kind of taking courses for AI ML in engineering colleges. The engineers are very excited about it, and I dive into the full details of what kind of algorithm, what models, training, supervised, unsupervised. So I can give you a perspective of AI ML also in not only these areas, but how the whole thing works as well. So we will, I'll finish my sessions here, and I'll show you for the next 10 minutes or 5 minutes the real live access, which you also need to create for yourself. Just give me a minute. I am going to be here. Yes, Salesforce sales tools. So in this one, like to show you the sales process. So these are all, all of you know this process that you run campaigns which generate leads. Leads will convert and be for accounts, contacts, and they will convert into opportunities. And finally, the opportunities will either be won or lost. And what you need to do for that, when they are leads, you will do some tasks, some events, and some calls and some campaigns, which could be anything, not just emails, Google AdWords, or even TV ads, or anything. Whatever your activity can be plugged in here. I just want to show you for next 5 minutes how does this sales automation tool look like. So I will go there and to the live system. I hope you can all see this. This I have created for my own company. This is a trial license, and I log in. So after login, this gives me and please, guys and girls, for you it is very, very good opportunity to have a hands-on. These packages, software packages, were not available just a few years back. I would say Salesforce is the first company which has taken the initiative of saying free for all. There is no restriction. You have a Gmail or any email, go and create your trial license, and you will happen to see this. What is this? For example, you can see the accounts I have. For example, I'm working on Burger King, Volvo, Acme. These are the accounts I have, the contacts within them. Each one of them, I just created one contact because I'm also using a trial license. Okay, what are the leads I have in those, uh, opportunities which are there for me to close the business. And of course, calendar is very simple. Dashboards are more like the output reports from these, and this is all live. I'm not showing you a PPT or something. For example, a sales, manager's dashboard will look like what are the various, things. These are all ready-made, pre-configured, things. So what is the revenue for the year, by quarter? What is the overall revenue? And then, pipeline, opportunity pipeline, you can see here, like that. And there are lots of things which you can actually learn and use them in practice. You may have idea of the, as I said, the art of sales and marketing, but here it is being supported as a science, the technology to take your effort further. So in the next class, we are almost completing on time. And next class, I'll show you there is a setup here. So using the setup, how do we actually, just press the setup, and then you will be taken to something called object manager. And in the object manager, I'll show you how you have various these things which you are seeing as a functional user or as a user, as a marketing head or a sales head, you are seeing account information, but here you are coming under the hood, behind the scenes, the technical part, and how that account is an object. It's a standard object. We have also created some custom objects. For example, I can search. I have created a customer object by uh, the name property. It will show me somewhere. I have created that. Each one of you have to create those objects, and you have to use them in your, exercises which you do. Then you will get confident how these objects are there, how they will work, etc. All right. So with this, I will close the session because we are almost running short of time. But this is a live system. How do you get this live system? Is here. Go to www.salesforce.com. When you go to Salesforce site, okay,